There you go. You get to record this. You see it? Okay.
I can't really.
This is... All right, come on over here.
Well, I don't see anything on there.
Oh. If I open the...
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. All right. Operator
I
air.
thought I'm going blind.
Okay.
I'm definitely going
Now, this
blind.
is Weezer, and now you got to stand back.
Oh, okay.
Because I'll show you how to catch these in this bin.
Okay.
No, stand way back.
Way back?
Way back.
Well, I
I
can't
get
see.
the whole bin.
Okay. Let's see. All right. There you go.
This is Weezer. Come here. Come on, Weezer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, come out. Come on. Come on.
I didn't get the
One
flight.
chicken. Okay. All right. Well, we get a second chance here. Let me
Okay.
put him back. Let's try gurgles. Now this is gurgles.
Okay.
Step back over here, sir.
Okay.
The whole thing. All right, gurgles. Ready? Come on out. Come on. Come to the other corner. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He didn't take off quite as much as the other one.
These are wild child, man. But if you just stand there and wait, they'll jump up out of you right in your hands. Huh.
Well, now you just need to tame them down like those cochins.
They are a little bit more.
Okay, I don't know how to...
Push this.